Our parents, siblings are loving us as they are our own blood. But the friends, someone in other relation, someone is initially a stranger. Then they take their place in their life. On other relation, friendship is nothing but true and pure love, without expectation and return. True friends is always support us, each other, even during the hardest of times. A true friend is one who feels happy to our success. On other hand, you will feel gloomy to our failures. A true friend may criticize also so that when we come to our weaknesses. Friendship is divine relation which beyond in definition of blood relation. It's the only relation that's a truly priceless. We may acquire all kinds of pleasure by putting our efforts, but even then, like with some true friends, that which is being said that true friends is more precious than any gem in our life. Love from your friend will always unconditional. They may expect from nothing from us, but shower their love always. It's natural that human beings always friend to find emotional support in social life. In spite of hating everything in life, we may remain in vacuum. It is happiness only when you have such a good friend to share
unimaginable.
Friends is always support there to listen us unconditionally. That's all. Thank you.